What's up everybody, MTmotoRIDER here, and in this video I'm doing a test ride with the new quick shifter on the 2019 MT-09. So if you see my install video, then you know that I broke down and bought myself a quick shifter for my 09. If you didn't see that video, I'll put a card right up here so you can check that out if you want to. I finally got a chance to come out and do a little test ride with the quick shifter, and I've used it a little bit since I left the house, but not a whole lot. And so far I like it. It's going to take a little bit of getting used to because I'm not used to doing it. It is pretty cool. So I mean, I don't have any regrets or anything about buying it, and I'm definitely going to be using it a lot. Try to get better at using it. As soon as I get a chance, I'll stop somewhere and take off from the stop and use the quick shifter so you can hear what the bike sounds like and everything. I think it's supposed to be used at a certain RPM, but I mean, I don't know why you would want to use it if you were going slow anyway, so trying to use the quick shifter while you're going slow kind of defeats the purpose of having a quick shifter, I would assume. I'm actually going to pull over right here and go from a stop so I can check out this quick shifter. Might have to wait on traffic to go by or whatnot. Alright, let's check this thing out. Definitely does its job. I think I messed it up on the first shift, but after that I was alright. Like I said, I gotta get used to using it. It's my very first time riding with it, but I like it, and it wasn't that bad to install at all. If you're interested in that, please go check out the install video I did. Now the quick shifter I got is just a standard OEM Yamaha quick shifter. I found one on eBay and it was like $150 after taxes or whatever, so it's not that expensive if you want a quick shifter. They do make other brands, but I think some of those are pretty expensive, so I just went with the Yamaha one. I will definitely keep using it, try to get a whole lot better at using the quick shifter. But if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know down in the comments. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.